Exercise 3.3, starting on page number 82, it's about revealing and comparing formatting. This is a little bit more advanced technique, but when you have to deal with very refined text documents and so on, and you want to make sure that everything is perfect, this is a really good tool to use. So in essence, you're going to be using something called the format review reveal formatting task pane. So hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and press F1, the function 1 on your keyboard. So I opened this document and I saved it as a CO3E03 and hold down the Shift key and F1, and it opens Reveal Formatting pane on the right side. So depending on what is selected, you'll see the information. So here I click here, click here, click here, and so on. You'll see the things in the information box changes. So let's say I click on the title, the solving problems, it shows up here. And the let's see, this, okay, so this is where it should be, and then you click on it, click on any element or text, and it shows up here, and you'll see the properties of formatting. So font is currently Candara, font size 16, is bold and is aligned left, right margin 0, and so on. And then you come down here, click this somewhere along the second line, you have a different set of information, and you click on one of the bulleted items, you have all this information, including what bullet and bullet size and alignment and so on is. So okay, this probably is a lot more than what you want to know about anything, but sometimes, let's say you click on visual and the word visual here on this first paragraph of the first bulleted item. So you click on visual, and let's say you want to compare and make sure that this is, notice that this is a, let's go home, this is italic, size number 12, and so obviously, well, maybe not be obvious, but that it should have same font, same formatting as audio. So as you can see, as you click on visual and you can click on audio, there are so many things to be compared or kind of matched. It's very hard to see everything like an underline or not underline on the font size and color and all that kind of things. So it could be a little bit tricky. So here comes handy. Click on the word visual, and then you selected text is a visual, and click on compare. And compare with what? So you click on the next one, audio. So it's compare the visual and audio from the text. So basically comparing the audio formatting, and the formatting are identical except the font. And font is Cambria and Candra. There are two different faces, and the font size 12 and one is 11. So you want to make sure, let's say, let's go to visual, and is Cambria and size 12. And this audio is Candara, not Cambria, and size 12. So either way, so let's choose something else. So they are all Calibri, and the rest of the document is Calibri, and let's click on visual and Cambria. So perhaps you want to have both Cambria and size, let's see, other ones, other the Interesting. And some words, so it's all over. So I guess you have to choose. So I'll say the visual, I want to have Cambria 12. And then since the comparison shows me that audio is different, so I'm going to change it to Cambria. Okay, and then size 12. So now they are identical. So there's no formatting differences showing. So there you have it. So now you can have for sure the formatting for both visual and audio are identical. Okay, so that's the end of chapter 3.